Hey guys, welcome back aboard the Norwegian Joy. If you missed part one of Embarkation, you might want to start there first. But if you're here just for the room tour, let's not waste any time. Let's go. We're in stateroom 11136, located at the front of the ship on the port side. Easy way to remember, left has 4 letters. Port has 4 letters. Hopefully, that's a little trick that maybe will help some of you out there. As I mentioned in the first video, this is our first time sailing with NCL, so we really did not know what to expect. We went in with realistic expectations, hoping for a pleasant cruise, because honestly, you just never know. Now, as you can see, the room is what I'd call a standard cruise cabin size. Most cabins in the category across cruise lines are pretty similar. Some are slightly larger, which is always a bonus, but this felt very typical. Overall, the room was clean, though we did notice a few small crumbs on the balcony. Nothing major. We loved the USB ports on both sides of the bed and the nice ambient lighting throughout the room. USBs. Here you can kind of see the space between the bed and the wall, which gives you a good idea of how much room you have to move around. For plugs, you get 3 US outlets and 1 Euro outlet. Pro tip, I always bring a Euro USB adapter so I can save those US plugs for the things that actually need a plug. There is a seat or stool with a tabletop, which is super handy and multifunctional. The fridge, quick note, nothing in there is free. And in a later video, we'll share something we discovered that honestly kind of shocked us both. So make sure that you're subscribed so that you don't miss that one. Plenty of storage and shelving and a decent sized TV. And yes, we did the swivel test. It moves just enough so that you can watch from either the bed or the couch, if that's what you choose. Under the TV, you'll find some extra space, along with the room service hangers, menus, and other important info. Now let's step out to the balcony. It definitely served its purpose. We enjoyed sunrises and even a few storms out there. Your muster station info is on the back of the door, though you've probably already completed that, right? The door does require a key card for power, a key card, if you know, you know. The thermostat worked great, the room stayed cool, and we didn't really have any issues at all. Now for the big question that everyone always asks, the bathroom. How big is the shower? Yes, that is the #1 question for the bathroom that I get. Does it pass the test? I'd say yes. No shave bar, but for my fellow tall people, I'm tall. And even with the door closed, my arms just barely hit. So to me, that's a win. Just be careful with that sprayer. If you raise the bar too high, it can spray out if the door is open. You get body wash and conditioning shampoo if you choose to use what's provided, and everything smelled clean and fresh. There is definitely good storage underneath the counter, 2 shelves above, and storage under the sink as well. Bonus points for me, they use liquid soap instead of a bar soap, and that is always a plus in my book. Oh, and one more thing I forgot to mention earlier, you do have cubby storage right next to the bed, which is actually super handy for those things that you want to keep in reach but keep them out of the way. The balcony door was easy to open and close, just a tiny squeak, but nothing annoying. The natural light coming in from the outside was really nice. And if you're someone who likes to sleep in, the drapes did a great job of blocking out the light when we wanted the room darker. We also realized after filming that there is storage underneath the couch as well. It was a great surprise, and it worked perfectly for our shoes, keeping them out of the way and the room just a little less cluttered. Overall, we were comfortable, and the room, it worked well for us, had more storage than we initially thought. Now, the bed, oh, we'll talk about that later. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will continue to share the journey here on Norwegian Joy. So, see you in the next one.